If you've ever used ChatGPT on your desktop browser, you probably wondered whether the mobile app experience lives up to the same standard, or maybe even surpasses it. In today's review, we're diving deep into the ChatGPT mobile app, how it compares to the web version, what it gets right, where it stumbles, and whether it's actually worth downloading if you're already comfortable using ChatGPT in your browser. Let's start with the basics. The ChatGPT mobile app, available for both iOS and Android, was designed to bring the full conversational power of OpenAI's model right to your pocket. The idea is simple: give users quick, natural AI access wherever they are. Whether you're writing an email draft while on the go, brainstorming project ideas, or translating something instantly, the mobile app promises the same intelligence, but with a smoother and more portable interface. Now, right out of the gate, the interface feels clean and well thought out. It opens fast, syncs instantly with your OpenAI account, and loads your previous chat history, something early versions didn't handle perfectly. The app supports both text and voice input, which makes it much more dynamic. The voice to text feature in particular is impressively accurate, and the response speed is almost identical to the desktop experience, assuming you've got a decent connection. One of the biggest wins for the mobile app is the integration of voice conversations powered by Whisper and GPT-4. Instead of typing long prompts, you can just tap the headphone icon, talk naturally, and get answers read aloud. It feels like having an AI assistant in your pocket, very reminiscent of Alexa or Siri, but with far more flexibility. This feature makes the app great for multitasking or casual queries when typing isn't convenient. But now, let's talk about performance and real-world use. On Wi-Fi or stable mobile data, ChatGPT's responses appear smoothly. However, the app can sometimes hang if you're switching between chats too quickly or if the phone is managing background apps aggressively. Battery consumption is moderate, not terrible, but noticeable if you use it continuously for an hour or two. And while the web version supports easy copy-paste workflows with your browser tabs, the mobile version occasionally makes that clunky when you're transferring long answers into another app. Let's break down the pros and cons in a realistic way. On the positive side, the portability is a huge plus. You can generate ideas, get coding help, or write summaries anywhere. The voice chat feels futuristic and genuinely useful, and the app interface is smoother than most AI chat alternatives right now. Another bonus, it remembers your context across devices, meaning if you start a conversation on your laptop, you can continue it later on your phone seamlessly. That's the kind of cross-platform polish that a lot of AI tools still lack. Now, for the negatives. There's still a small gap between how the web and mobile versions handle long text generation. For example, big essays or code snippets are easier to scroll and manage on desktop. Formatting on mobile sometimes breaks, especially for markdown tables or code blocks. The app also doesn't yet allow custom GPTs or plugin usage on all accounts, though that's slowly rolling out. And of course, typing long prompts on a phone keyboard is never as comfortable as doing it on a proper computer. If we compare the two, the mobile app versus the web version, the mobile one wins in convenience, but loses a few points in workspace efficiency. It's ideal for casual use, brainstorming, or communication, while the web version is still the better tool for research, document writing, and complex project work. So, what's the verdict? The ChatGPT mobile app is more than just a portable version of the web platform. It's an intelligent assistant that fits naturally into daily life. It's not perfect. Formatting and plugin support still have room to grow. But if you're someone who values quick access, clean design, and voice chat capabilities, it's absolutely worth installing. Think of it as the personal sidekick version of ChatGPT. Smaller screen, same brain.